Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. At some point in my childhood I discovered anime series, and my absolute favorite series for sure was Dragon Ball Z. It has some amazing characters, great storylines, and I really was a big fan. And I thought it was a fun idea to draw one of these characters in my style, and I chose Vegeta. And maybe I can turn this into a series where I draw more of these Dragon Ball Z characters in my own style. What do you think, guys? Would that be a thing? Let me know in the comment section. And now, without further ado, let's draw Vegeta. I truly was obsessed with this franchise as a kid. It all began with the series Dragon Ball, where Goku is still a kid, and later on Dragon Ball Z, where the characters were grown up and the storylines got more serious. The series had a great combination of humor and martial art fight scenes combined with a touch of sci-fi. I still love it to this day. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Vegeta, also known as Prince Vegeta, is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball franchise created by Akira Toriyama. He is the prince of an extraterrestrial warrior race known as the Saiyans, constantly referring to his heritage and royal status throughout the series. He believes that he should be regarded as the strongest fighter in the universe and becomes obsessed with surpassing Goku after losing his first battle with him. After Frieza's death, Vegeta later unites with the heroes to fight greater threats to the universe. Throughout the series, Vegeta's role changed from villain to anti-hero and later as one of the heroes, while remaining a key rival to Goku. Vegeta has been hailed as one of the most iconic characters not only in the Dragon Ball franchise, but also in manga and anime history as a whole. He is often cited as one of the most popular examples of rival characters in the industry due to his character arc and narrative throughout the franchise. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Vegeta, and tell me guys, do you want me to draw more of these Dragon Ball Z characters in my own style? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all our social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend my friends, we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!